Huh. Just 49 keys inside a metal thing from 1958. Or maybe it's the first step to becoming a writer. And your first book gets turned into a movie by your favorite director, aka new best friend. Or maybe becoming a chef who crafts unique recipes like croissant nigiri. Hey, the people love it. Critics do too. Like, really love it. Wow. Or you could start a travel scene where your research takes you from South America to somehow Scandinavia to scream singing your way through Shibuya. And all of it makes your travel scene so successful, you need a vacation. So you can keep writing about vacations.
Vacation time.